If you're a foodie with a taste for adventure, you need to try cactus fruit. Let's get harvesting. First things first, grab some gloves. Those cacti are prickly. Now look for the ripe ones, bright red or yellow, bursting with sweetness. Got your fruit? Awesome. Carefully twist it off the cactus. Watch those spines. Back in the kitchen, wash them thoroughly. Use a fork to hold it steady and a knife to peel away the skin. Inside you'll find juicy, sweet flesh. Cut it into chunks and voila! You've got yourself a delicious exotic snack. But wait, there's more. Try adding it to smoothies, salads, or even desserts for a tropical twist. So next time you see a cactus, remember, there's a hidden snack waiting for you. Happy harvesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.